Good evening, everyone. Today is December 22nd, 2022. December 22nd, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Actually, I received 3 different Weavers delivery, but I'm just going to be unboxing one tonight and then the other 2 tomorrow. So, the other 2 was my BTS merchandise haul from Black Friday. But this one, it's been a while that I've ordered this, but I just got it today. So I know what this is. Let's open it. Wait. I know I think 20% of BTS Army already have it. We're just, the US Army are just trying to get them out. So, this is, ta-da! Finally! It's the BTS World Tour Love Yourself, Speak Yourself final DVD. And that's from Seoul. And as a pre-gift purchase, I got this from Weavers. Pre-order benefits, POB. And I think this is a cardboard candy. I don't remember anymore since it's been a while. Oh yes, so look, I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. Wow. Look. It's holographic. And it's the BTS World Tour. It says here BTS Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final, and they have the BTS logo in here. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there you go. There you have it. This is my pre-order benefits. It's a lenticular, so you know it's gonna go on display again somewhere here in my room, but I'm gonna have to rearrange again just because I need to rearrange them. So let's open this now. You know, it's really late, but I just can't wait to open this. So this is the front. I hope you guys can see it. The front and the side. And here's the back. And the side, okay. So let's open, of course. Here's the bookmarks. And it says Love Yourself, BTS World Tour. And then these are the bookmarks. So let's see and open them. And of course, the first one is our leader, RM. And this is the back. It's a bookmark, kind of like a ticket. Gorgeous. And then of course, Jin. And of course, our Minyoongi Suga. I really love this sweater and his performance of Seesaw. And our J-Hope in a red suit. And of course, Jimin V, and finally Jungkook. Okay, so let's see what else is here. So these are the outbox, and this is the photo book. Oh, hold on. So this is the DVD. It's 3 discs. BTS World Tour. This one, these two, and these two. Combination of purple. Speak Yourself. I have to catch up with these two, watching all their DVDs. And of course, this is it. The BTS Love Yourself. Let's see, to show you how many people went to watch that concert in Seoul. Yeah, it's so cool. And the photo book, there's something in here. Come on, okay. So now I have the photo card. I'm hoping, please, let me have V, as he is my bias. Let me have him. I'll be happy with any of the member, but I wish I will have V or Jungkook, which is my bias record. But this is the moment of truth. It's RM. And this is the bag. There you go. And what else do we have here? Nothing. It's just all the photo books. You know what? I think on Weavers, I always get RM. Weavers USA. Yes, it's always RM or J-Hope. But it's okay. I'm only 7. I mean, I wish that I would get V one of these days. So, wow, this is a very nice photo book. This is really freaking nice. So, J-Hope, Jungkook, Euphoria. Look at V. So there you have it. Look how gorgeous Jin. V. Wow. Oh, they're all crying. I really have to watch this. I really do. So hopefully I get the chance to watch it before the year end. But if not, I just hope I can watch it next year. So there you have it. My BTS Speak Yourself, the final. Alrighty, until the next unboxing. See you guys. Good night.